There are those who think that if you believe in an A theory of time, that then it's impossible for God to foreknow the future, because they are presupposing a model of divine cognition that I call a perceptual model of divine cognition. That is to say, God looks into the future and sees what is going to happen. And this model is explicitly expressed when people talk about God's foreseeing the future rather than foreknowing the future. And I think that perceptual model is quite mistaken, that we shouldn't think of God's cognitions in terms of perception. Rather, we should have a conceptual model in which God simply has essentially and innately the property of knowing only and all true propositions. And there are true propositions about the future, ergo, God knows only and all true future tense propositions. And so that gives him foreknowledge. It has nothing to do with looking into the future and seeing what's going to happen.